Hello, friends. I am back with another very interesting and informative art based therapy technique. It falls under the broad category of imagery techniques and it's called music with art. So, friends, let me talk about this therapy a little before I begin to demonstrate. Music with art therapy is widely used to enhance the quality of one's life and to reduce stress levels. It's a form of therapy that is comprehensively used with other therapies in case of cancer patients and patients suffering from depression as well as anxiety spectrum disorders. Music with art therapy is also used for special needs children, children who have ADHD, learning disability, and other related disorders. Music with art therapy is also beneficial to keep a person relaxed and calm. This technique helps to reduce the after effects or the effects of crisis when a person is undergoing a crisis situation. Physical effects such as increased heart rate, uh, increased blood pressure, and other related problems. Music with art therapy also helps to increase your level of socialization and your communication skills and motor development for those individuals who have issues related to this area. This technique is also used with people of old age who are suffering from Alzheimer's disease and related degenerative disorders. This technique is very simple to conduct and has a lot of benefits. Before I begin the demonstration, I would just like to say that before you start drawing in this technique, all you need to do is choose a comfortable environment for sitting, and preferably make the environment as dark as possible by dimming the lights. If you do not prefer a dark environment, what you can do is simply close your eyes. Once the environment is dark and it's comfortable, you need to play a music that you really enjoy. Try to put on a music that doesn't have lyrics because that increases your level of distraction. Play the music for as long as you want, but I prefer to keep it as 5 minutes. You can always increase or decrease it as much as you like, depending on how much you're enjoying the music. Once the music is over, we proceed with the technique which I will be demonstrating now. Now think about the thoughts and images that went through your head, and when you are ready, begin expressing these thoughts onto your paper using your painting or drawing material. As you can see how the drawing begins with a small dot and eventually proceeds, reflecting the subject's thoughts, feelings, emotions while the music was going on. And this is what the drawing now looks like. Once your drawing is over, write a few sentences or a paragraph that explains what you are drawing or painting. If you find this difficult, I have mentioned some of the open-ended questions that you can ask yourself and write down. I hope you got an idea as to how we proceed with this technique and how we end it. Always remember to conduct this technique in an environment that is very peaceful to you, like I mentioned before, an environment that you are comfortable with. Apart from this technique, friends, art therapy has a lot of other techniques too that that specifically are self-help techniques. So I'll be mentioning two other such techniques to you. I will not be demonstrating because these are self-explanatory. The first technique is collage making. So as we all have made collages all our school lives and some even in college, collage making technique in art therapy is of various categories actually. And the most effective one is a motivational collage, where an individual finds different pictures which are positive in nature for the person and then puts them in a collage. You can also make a collage with old photographs, but people will not want to take out the photographs from their albums or print them and put such an effort. That's why I mentioned about the motivational collage technique. Second important self-help technique of art therapy is drawing your emotions. So an individual when is not able to understand what goes on his or her, in his or her mind, can simply draw what he or she feels like and give it a structure. And then always remember to ask certain questions, certain open-ended questions to yourself as to what have I drawn, why have I chosen to draw this, and what is the drawing trying to tell me at this moment, and a reflection of how I felt after I have done this activity. I mentioned about two techniques, and there's one more technique that is effectively used to manage stress, is nothing but painting that space where you feel you are at peace. For example, I first need to close my eyes when I'm doing this technique and take deep breaths and focus on my breathing for some time. Once I have done this, I need to take a sheet of paper and begin to draw. I begin to imagine a place that seems to be very peaceful to me and where I am placing myself in that particular place. Once I have done this, again I need to write down questions as to where is this place and how do I feel when I am at this place. If I was at this place at this moment, what would I experience? And then again, what have I learned from this activity? Friends, I gave you some idea as to what are the therapies which are used in when we are doing art-based form of therapy, and these all techniques are self-help techniques, so you can very well do them at home. If you like my video, please do comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and do support this small initiative which I have made through this channel. And friends, why don't you comment about how you felt if any of you have tried these techniques, and do let me know about how my videos are, and do give a feedback. Thank you so much.